In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use system prompt and master prompt in Weavy AI. By the end, you'll understand how these two prompts work together to shape your AI's behavior and keep your outputs consistent, creative, and on brand. Think of your prompts as a three-part stack. The system prompt defines the AI's personality and rules. The master prompt provides a reusable creative template, and the user prompt is the specific request you enter for each task. These layers combine every time you generate content in Weavy AI. Let's start with the system prompt, your global AI instructions. This is where you set the overall behavior, writing style, formatting expectations, and any restrictions you care about. It's the foundation that should stay mostly the same across all generations. Use it to define tones such as friendly or formal, point of view like first or third person, structural preferences such as clear headings or concise paragraphs, and boundaries, including topics to avoid or compliance rules to follow. Because the system prompt controls quality and behavior, keep it focused, unambiguous, and stable. Update it only when your brand voice or policies change. Next is the master prompt, your reusable creative template. This is the place to encode your visual style, branding, consistent aesthetic, and repeatable structure for a given content type. For example, if you regularly create product descriptions, the master prompt can outline the sections you want, the tone to maintain, and the way features should be presented. The key is to make it modular and repeatable so it can be combined with any user request. Where possible, include placeholders for variables like audience, product, or goal, so you can reuse the template without rewriting it. Here's how it all comes together in Weavy AI. Set your system prompt once to lock in the personality and rules. Keep it concise but comprehensive enough to guide formatting and restrictions. Then, prepare one or more master prompts tailored to your common use cases, each encoding the structure and style you want to repeat. Finally, when you're ready to generate, add your user prompt, the specific request, so the AI can plug your details into the established style and behavior. A few practical tips. Avoid redundancy by not repeating the same rules in both the system and master prompts. Test with a short user prompt first to confirm the structure holds. If outputs drift, refine the system prompt for behavior or the master prompt for consistency rather than rewriting both. And keep versions of your prompts so you can track what's working. With this setup, you'll get reliable, on-brand results faster.